Today we're excited because we're going to be teaching you that these numbers in these seasons equals months. So that's what we're going to teach you today. And we're going to teach you so you can teach your student in a fun way using these fun pictures so they can remember the story. And remember, we had 2 videos where we taught you how to teach the seasons with the pictures and laying them down just in that order. And these numbers are going to be the months. So that's what we're going to teach you today. So let's go learn about the numbers and the months. What you want to do with the numbers is just shift them over to the left. We have a month to put here and we have pictures for the students, so you can do that for them so they can see the numbers. Say, this is the number 1. Guess who lives here? So do you see Jan? And Jan, guess what? She's wearing a winter coat and a scarf and a hat because it's winter. It's very cold. Notice there's a snowflake there. And in number 2, guess who leaps in? It's Feb the frog. And because her name is Jan, and that's the name of the month, January. That's how we get January. Now, Feb, well, Feb is his name, so it's called February. And they like to tell each other, are you airy? Is it airy outside? Are you airy? Is it cold? So that's why they say January and February. They live in the winter, the cold. Now, for spring, for the number 3, you just march right in. Can you march? March right in, and you can pretend that you're in the band. And guess what? The Easter Bunny, he brings April showers. What? April showers brings May flowers. The rain will cause flowers to sprout up. So that's May. Before we move to summer, well, you can play the game with the student by removing the picture and the month and having them replace the pictures and the month. And that will help them remember the number corresponding to the month with the picture. So next we're going to move to June and the number 6. See how it's at the top of summer? That means that's the beginning of summer. It's so hot in June that my friend June the chef can fry an egg on the ground because the month of June is so hot. It's the beginning of summer. June, the chef, guess what? She likes to look at fireworks in the month of July. Then we move to the number 8. And notice this is the end. This is the end of summer. So if it's the end of summer, you might say, "Aw, it's the end of summer." That means that it's August. Get it? Aw, aw. It's the end of summer. Just remember the number 8 is August. So for number 9, well, 8, we ended with August. That's the end of summer. So back to school. And that would be September, the month of September, number 9. Now, we got to move to number 10. Now, number 10 is a fun time where sometimes you dress up, or you go trick-or-treating, or you go to a party. That's the month of October. 10 is October. And for number 11, that's a fun time too. Just think of a big bird, and that's Thanksgiving in November. So the 11 is November. And then we move to number 12. Well, back to winter, and it's a fun time. Well, you can trim a tree, you can give presents away. That's December, and you can get presents too. So number 12 is December. And an easy way to remember fall is they all end in burr, and so does December. Burr, fall can be kind of cold and chilly, and so can winter. So, and another easy way to remember fall is sun, S-O-N. It says sun in fall. And also in March, it says ma'am. Just remember the one with Y is at the end. You can break these up into little pieces for them by taking it off the board, the months, and then having them replace it. What do you remember? I remember her, Jan. So that's January. So you can have them break each season into little pieces by taking away the picture and having them rebuild it. Remember, they learned in a particular place, so you're going to have them put it back in that place so they can retrieve the information easily. So now you know how to teach them all about the months and linking it to the numbers. So we thank you at Directional Learning. Make sure you like and subscribe.